May kanya-kanyang journey tayo at di natin pwedeng i-judge yung iba. At di rin natin pwedeng i-judge yung ating sarili kasi iba-iba nga ang ating paths, ang ating experiences, ang ating hurts, ang ating mga learnings. Iba-iba din ang ating pace. Kaya it's useless to be envious of your neighbors, of your friends, of your batchmates. Kasi may sarili din silang mga buhay. May sarili ka ring buhay, your own journey. Kaya it's best to focus what you have at hand. Pwede mo tanongin, in my journey right now, saan na ba ako? Where am I in reference to my own personal goals? That's what matters. Hindi yung saan na yung iba. Pero kung saan ka na. Another question can be, what is my life teaching me right now? Ano bang tinuturo ng aking mga experiences, aking mga successes, at mga kapalpakan? Kasi kailangan din tayo matuto para umusad sa ating journey. My prayer for you is that you focus on your journey and be confident that you can move forward. Try to assess every week kung umuusad ka nga ba talaga o paatras. And there will be times na paatras nga. Yun yung tinatawag na setback. Pero huwag mag-alala. The things you will learn from your setbacks will catapult you forward. Kaya have faith. You're okay. You're on track. Manalig lang sa Diyos and never give up.